Hey, hey guys, welcome back to another video from Carl's Garage, brought to you by Straight Outta Content. Today, I just want to do just a personal vlog today. I got a big day. See here, I'm not even in my Straight Outta Content merch. I'm here about a car, here about a Kia. Today, I'm actually going to the Tank versus Leo Santa Cruz live fight. But today, I just wanted to kind of touch on a few people, just kind of give some thanks and kind of give an update on the Kia settlement. Let's go ahead and get a shot of the Kia. Looking clean for the, she's looking clean for the fight, right? So yeah, I just wanted to give a quick update on the Kia engine settlement. So, well, first, what I want to do is say thank you for getting me to 500 subscribers. Thank you to Mr. Kevin X Conde, EXCONDE. He was my 500th subscriber, so he is going to get some merch. Make sure you hit me in my Instagram and DM me your address or your P.O. box so that I can send you some merch, man. We really do appreciate it. Thank you for being my 500th subscriber. With that said, Mr. Adam Rye, R-I-G-H-I, big shouts out to him, guys. Follow him. I'll put his information in the link in the description below. Make sure you follow him on YouTube and subscribe to him, and follow him on Instagram, because he's actually got his entire engine replaced for his Kia, right? So for his Kia, he had the same engine issues, and actually years ago he had the knock detection sensor software update, and then recently he had engine failure or something happened to his engine and he actually got it replaced. So he has so much information. As far as I've only went to about just getting the knock detection sensor software update, but he actually got his entire engine replaced. So he's been helping me out, help a lady named Teresa Thompson. Hi Teresa, how you doing? Make sure you subscribe to her, make sure you follow her on Instagram. She's also having some issues, and she's actually having dealership issues. So what's going on with her is the dealership is kind of giving them the runaround. They bought the car, I think brand new, and they're having issues, and they're actually scared to drive it. So what I like to do is get everybody on board, and I'm gonna call my local Kia dealership when I get back from San Antonio from filming the fight, because I gotta film the fight. When I get back from San Antonio, I'm gonna call my local dealership and say, hey, listen, these people are having these issues. Does this sound right to you? Because I have a pretty good relationship. But if you have any information, I'll put their links to their Instagrams, to their YouTubes below. And if you have kind of had any success, I know I've had a lot of subscribers who have had success, please contact them, okay? So that they can be updated and feel like, okay, they're not alone out here. Because that's my goal, is to make sure that nobody feels alone, that everybody feels like, okay, I'm having issues with my car, but it will be taken care of and I will get it fixed for free, or if I do have to pay for towing, it will be reimbursed. Okay guys, so I just wanted to give you guys, just kind of touch in and just say thanks to all those people. Thank you, Mr. Adam. Thank you, Miss Teresa. Thank you, Kevin. I think it's Kevin. What? Is it Kevin? Yes, thank you, Kevin. Thank you guys for just tuning in, and we're gonna get this going, man. We're gonna help a lot of people, and just keep continuing subscribing and keep commenting, keep asking me questions, because we're gonna make sure everyone gets help. All right, guys, you know my slogan: be safe, be basic.